Temptation time. Here, Penny. Here's Penny. Okay, geez. Okay, I'll stop. No, wait. Be patient. Where did it go? It disappeared. Oh, there it is. Jesus, stop, you're not a cat. All of the cats! All of the cats! Come here, Ginge.
I'll be gone in a day or two.
Do not touch. Amma, can you be the security guard? I guess my mom hates me. Make sure to not let these cats get the temptation, okay? And I'll give you one of these treats. We got a new cat. Excuse the tail. Here's Gorsa. Where's Duchess? Where did it go? Where did it? Let's get. Let me get a temptation. Here's some for you, Ginge. No, you're gonna get your own. Yeah, I love you with that. Let me feed Gorsa. No, Henry. No! Oh my. Come on! Temptations! It's gonna... I know that you're sick, so I got something for you. Temptations! Eat them! Come on! I know you... Jesus! No! What happened? Oh no, what's that noise? Ah!